In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design an email Squarespace. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start a campaign, choose a look, customize the design, and set up the essentials so your message is ready to go. Start by opening your Squarespace dashboard and heading to the marketing area where your email tools live. Select campaigns to enter the workspace for creating and managing your emails. To begin a new one, click Create. This opens the template library, which gives you a quick head start with proven layouts. Take a moment to browse the options and think about your goal, whether it's promoting a product, sharing news, or announcing an event. Look for a layout that supports your content with clear sections for images, headlines, and calls to action. When you've found a good match, select the template, then choose Use this template. Squarespace will open the email editor so you can make it yours. First, refine your typography. Click Font Pack to choose a coordinated set of typefaces and sizes. Pick fonts that reflect your brand and are easy to read on both desktop and mobile. A clean sans serif for body text and a slightly bolder style for headings usually works well. Keep the number of different styles limited for a cohesive look and ensure there's enough contrast between headings and body copy. Click. Back to return to the layout. Now, update the main image so the design feels on brand. Click the current image, choose Replace, and then select Upload File to bring in your own visual. Prioritize high-quality, properly cropped images that load quickly and still look crisp on small screens. Consistent imagery does a lot of heavy lifting in email, so aim for something that instantly communicates your message. Next, edit the text. Update the headline, subheading, and body copy to be clear, concise, and action-oriented. Use short sentences, front load the most important information, and make your call to action unmistakable. Keep spacing comfortable so the content is scannable, and stay consistent with tone and capitalization throughout. With the design set, open the email settings panel by clicking Email. Enter your subject line. Keep it specific, under about 50 characters when possible, and focused on the value the reader will get. Avoid spammy phrasing and excessive punctuation. Then click Sender Details to confirm the sender name and address your audience will recognize and trust. When everything looks right, click Send to recipients. Before you do, give links, images, and text one last review for accuracy and clarity. That's it. Your Squarespace email is designed, branded, and ready to land in inboxes.